Nobody is working anymore. Nobody is trying to grow their Amazon business anymore because it is summer and things slow down and people want to enjoy life with their friends because the weather is nice, all that stuff. But I'm going to tell you the truth. If you keep doing this, if you do not focus on your business, you are going to fail. You are just going to fail because you cannot take the summer off just to enjoy your life. No, I know that, and I've been thinking about it. I think I've been sending the wrong message when I say that lately, I'm traveling and stuff, I'm not sourcing as much as I was. I'm on my Amazon business, I'm just working a few hours a day. But as I said in that video that I made on how many hours I was working a day, you are going to put in a lot of hours before you reach that point, all right? And I wanted to talk a little bit about that in today's video and share, my story a little bit so you can understand where I come from. And before I do this, I'm now offering one-on-one coaching. So if you need someone to help you scale your Amazon business, to grow your Amazon business, to start, does not matter, and you do not have the time necessarily, you do not want to figure it out yourself, link in the description, book a coaching call with me. You can pick my brain, I can help you grow your business, grow from 0 to 10,000, from 10,000 to 20, from 20 to 30. Link in the description if you want to book a call. Just let's talk, all right? Also, we have a Discord server, link in the description. Best place to meet other people selling on Amazon. Best place to actually network, because this is one of the things that are going to get you ahead in this business. So, link in the description. Join the Discord server. Link in the description. Book a call with me. So, as I said, I've been noticing, because it's summer and things always slow down during the summer. People do not work as much because, the weather is nice, you want to enjoy stuff. But as I said, I need to tell you the truth. If this is your mentality, you are not going to succeed, all right? You are just going to fail. Why? And I'm just going to take my example because you see me right now. I'm telling you that I'm not working as much on my Amazon business as I used to because things work by themselves. I do not need to spend a lot of time sourcing. I can just buy replens, stuff like that. Does that mean that it's always going to be the case? No. I told you guys that in the next couple of months, I'm going to go back to scaling my business. So I will need to put in a lot of work. But does that mean that I'm not working at all? Because I see the people that were saying, oh, I'm ready to do anything to succeed in this business. I'm going to do anything I can. Not working anymore. Where are you guys? Are you on vacation? What are you doing? So, you just need to look at this and realize that, especially in the beginning, if you want to bring your business to, some interesting numbers, you are going to need to work every day, almost every day. Not necessarily every day, but you're going to need to work. I'm not going to lie to you. You are going to need to work every day because if you look at my story of what I did, I've been this is the first time that I think the last time I actually left the US was in 2018. And ever since 2018, I've been working every single day. I haven't taken, I almost never, I don't think I took one day off, maybe one here and there, but even when I had a day off, I was working every day because I was doing other hustles to build capital. Then I was building my Amazon business. And so it's the first time that I'm really relaxing a little bit. And even the day, you see me, even when I'm relaxing, I'm working every day because right now I'm working on my personal brand. Look at all my past videos and tell me, ever since I started YouTube, ever since January 1st, did I miss an upload? No, I haven't missed an upload since the beginning of the year because I'm trying to build my channel. I'm basically working every day on this business, which is my personal brand. It needs to be the same way for you, for your Amazon business. You need to show up every single day, especially at the beginning. Right now, I do not necessarily need to show up in my Amazon business every single day because, I can just source a few hours here. And if I source yesterday, I may not need to source today because I can just buy replens, but I still need to place purchase, right? So I still need to look at my repricer. I still need to do a few things. I'm showing up every single day. You need to show up every single day or you're going to fail. And you see it, I see it. I see it on Discord. I see it on YouTube. I see it even on other people's channel. People are just not working anymore. And this is actually the time for you guys to actually put in the works because when we're gonna be back in September, October, people are gonna go back to say, and even on Twitter, if you're on Amazon Twitter, you will see that it's pretty dead right now, but people are going to go back to say, oh, Amazon is dead, oh, everybody's selling on Amazon, oh, every product tanks. It's right now that you need to put in the work when nobody is doing it. Nobody is working right now. Everybody is enjoying life. Everybody is just, sleeping with the money that they make with their 9 to 5. They are not trying to get out of that. They are not trying to build this business. It's your time to actually come, show up every single day and put in the work. If you do not do it, like if you do not do it in the summer, like what, you're gonna work same thing. You're gonna work during like Q4 and that's it. And then you're gonna like, you know, it's gonna be Christmas, it's gonna be the New Year. You're not gonna work for 2 weeks again. And then you're gonna come back in January and like it's gonna be slow. You need to work, you need to show up every single day. And if you do not do it, somebody else is going to do it, and somebody else is going to take your place, and then you're going to complain on Twitter that Amazon is not possible to make money on Amazon. You're just a lazy ass. That's it. Show up every day. And I think I should not send. I think I've been sending the wrong message when I said that, you know, I'm just working a couple of hours a day. I've been sending the wrong message because you cannot like. You guys think that you can start your business. If you start your business with this mentality, like you are not going to succeed because you are going to need to put in a lot of work to be able to reach that point. I was sourcing every single day for multiple hours, more than a 9 to 5. I was working more than 40 hours a week on this business. I was working because, and also there's a lot of people asking like, is this business worth my time and stuff? At the beginning, you are going to work for less than minimum wage. That's it. That's a fact. It's going to be less than minimum wage. It's going to suck. You're not going to make a lot of money, but you need to put in that work initially if you want to bring that business to that point where we can just work 1 hour a day or like 3 hours, 4 hours a week. You are going to need to put in a lot of work. And you're going to need to train people then to, it takes some time. And so if you start your business with that mentality, it's going to suck. Because you're never going to reach that point. It's going to take a lot of work to reach that point, and you're going to like, you'd rather work. You're like, to be honest, at one point you realize that you would rather work in your 9 to 5 than actually work and build this business because it's too much work. It is going to be a lot of work. It is going to be a lot of work to get to the point where you can just work a couple hours a day, a couple hours a week. It's going to take a long time. Do not think that you can just start today and in 2 months, like you'll be at that point. You will not be at that point. There's a lot of stuff that you need to figure out. There's a lot of patterns that you need to see to be able to recognize them. It's going to take a lot of time. And so do not be lazy. Put in the work right now. It's the summer. Put in the work until Q4. Q4 is going to change your life if you work every single day. It's going to change your life. And probably if you start today, we are in July, right? August, September, October, November, December, 5 months, 6 months, probably January. If you put in the work every single day, in January, maybe you can reach that point. Maybe it's maybe going to take more time than that. If you have a lot of capital, you can reach that point in January. But to be honest, like, it's going to take you at least, probably it's going to take you 12 months to reach that point where you can just relax and do not be sourcing all the time, realize stuff if you work by yourself. Of course, if you want me to help you to reach that point faster, link in the description, get the coaching, let's hop on a call, all that stuff. But yeah, it's going to take time. Even if you need my help, it's going to take time. It's not a magic pill. You are going to need to put in a lot of work before you reach that point. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope I'm sending the right message now because I do not like the way it was sounding and the way you guys, a few of you guys took it. You are going to need to put in a lot of work. All right, just know that. If you're not ready, just give up already. All right, just give up. If you're not ready to put in a lot of work, if you're not ready to put in 50, 60 hours a week at the beginning, even 80 hours a week sometimes at the beginning to figure out that stuff, it's not going to work for you. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video where I'll be less pissed off. Watch these others video on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.